My country people, welcome back to my channel today. Phyna don't come out, come reveal certain things for her spirit with Phyna. According to her, she say Edo men dey fond of wasting woman time for years, say na for relationship. And also she also explained to say na she pave way for hype women for Nigeria. So for her recent podcast wey be say she do, she come out come talk about how she take pave way for hype women for Nigeria and how most people no know about hype women before until she wey be Phyna enter Big Brother house. So make una lis ten to wetin she talk for herself.
Before I went on Big Brother,
Yeah.
I used to be, I am a hype woman. Let me still say that. So before I go on Big Brother, I used to be in Abuja. I was the only hype girl in Abuja, and I was getting known. I was going to clubs. They were already knowing me. So when I went on the show and came out, immediately I came out, I started seeing plenty hype girls. Before we used to be few. So I don't know whether they like it or not. I pave way for them. Yes, because it was at that point they realized, oh, a high person can go big, can do. So now I see a lot. Even when I went to Ghana, like about 4 girls came to me that they are, my name is hype queen this, my name is hype this, that. I was like, wow, that's good. Oh wow. Do you get? And a lot of them follow me on Instagram. Like I sit down every day and I see girls who'll be saying hype queen, hype this, hype that. They follow me, and tomorrow now somebody will say nobody pave way.
So una don hear Phyna now. Dis her statement e no sit well for pipo body because dem believe tok say no be Phyna be di number one hype woman for Abuja dat year because after all she say she learn from person for Benin, so how come you come dey tok say na you pave way for all those type of thing? The truth be say I no know say dey get anything like how hype woman until Phyna come. Na Phyna na even make me know say dey get anything like hype woman. So make we just see some reaction after she made a statement. First person here say, after I went on Big Brother, which kind English? She didn't even use 1% of the money towards her education, even if it's an online class, English class. On that one, can say this girl is a big liar. Before you went to Big Brother, you were learning hyping from a particular hype girl in Benin. Now she teach her, you pave way, and yet club stop calling you because you obviously can't hype. She went to a club and couldn't hype. But when they were talking about artists paving way for other artists, your mouth open wa. Now you want the form pave way for others. If you sabi the work, shebi clubs go dey call you come hype for them. She can't hype anything. She was still learning before going to the house. This matter of pave way for everybody don dey cause problem since because even for the music industry, this one go say na me pave way for you, this one go say nobody pave way for me. I no even know to say hyping sef na profession. I fit say na just something wey be say we dey use to dey hail people for street until I see say Phyna dey do am. People come dey call her queen of hyping. So if no be Phyna, I no know anything about people wey be say dey hype. I no even know say they dey pay person for that type of thing. So somehow she dey actually right. No one no go fit support her when she talk say she be number one for the whole Abuja abi na wetin. That one I no go support. So unto this same podcast wey be say she do, wey be say she come out come talk about Edo men. Actually, the thing wey be say she talk for that podcast na very good topic o, but nobody go wan talk about that one. So for the podcast, she dey claim to say in Edo men dey go waste women time, dey go date woman 6 years, 5 years, 10 years. You know to say you no wan marry the woman, after you waste her time, you go come leave and go marry another person. So she just dey create awareness for that particular topic. So fans come dey come out dey call her out say madam rest, but the one wey be say make fans call her out pass na the fact wey be say Phyna talk say she date person for 12 years. So people come dey ask her say, but babe, you dey claim say you dey 26 years old, how come you come date person for 12 years? Does it mean that you were 14 years old that time? So make una lis ten to wetin she talk.
If you date a guy at most 3 years, anything 3 years, and the guy be like, who not they look front, who not they look
At this
back,
time, sef,
pack your
1
load
year.
and go. You see, this marriage of dating somebody for 5 years without the intention of getting married, if you're looking for people that do that to girls a lot, come to Edo State. Edo State is where you see somebody said, oh, we've been together for 10 years.
And no plans of say
I did 12 years. No, like there's no plan. Like they use front seats of motor say they keep you. They use my babe keep you, our wife keep you.
Well, she actually get a very serious point because some men, you go date them, they go dey waste your time. Very confused people, very confused. you go dey you know say you no dey ready to settle down, tell the person immediately after 1 year wey you don date woman, you tell am say I am not ready oo, I will not be ready in the next 20 years. If she still dey insist, pursue am make she go her way. No be the one be say you go wait years. What are you thinking about? Are you a confused person? So e make sense as she bring dis topic up because na a lot of things na dey happen for dis our country wey nobody wan talk about. But dis one wey be say she talk say she date person for 12 years, you see Big Brother age, I no dey ever accept all those people their age. Imagine Nengi come and say she dey 23 years old, abi na 24, Nengi, and people dey laugh dey say na true na true. I'm sorry for una, make una dey believe all these people. I mean looking at Phyna, does Phyna look like a 26 years old girl? Wey una dey talk, does she look like that? So as she talk dat one finish, Daniel Regha, as we all know, Daniel Regha na the same thing with Phyna. If you check am well, two of dem dey sabi chase clout. Phyna na cloutina, Daniel na cloutus. So Daniel come out, he come say Phyna is 26 years old according to BBN and Wikipedia age, but she claims to have dated the man for 12 years. So she started dating at the age of 14. Again, using her poor decision to disrespect Edo statement in general is wrong. She's always sounding very unintelligent. If na another person na come out come call Edo people now, you go see Phyna and the rest of them, they go come out come dey cry. They go dey cry me a river. I remember very dark man calling out Edo people, insulting them. He said so many horrible things about Edo people, but everybody quiet. And immediately Benson CEO come out come talk one thing about Edo, everybody bring out their own shakabula to come attack her. Una go dey alright. So Phyna come reply and come say, Daniel, no difference between me and you. If we say make we check am well, and if the gullible Nigerians we agree, na the same rope tie us. So you either sit this one out or you go to YouTube to watch the full podcast. Don't be an hypocrite. Phyna and drama na 5 and 6. The thing wey dey even make me laugh pass na be say Phyna go invite person come her podcast. Na she na im go dey talk, na she dey spill the thing. But na you invite people come, but na you dey spill the tea. The matter tire me. No go even allow the person wey she invite come make the person talk. Check all the whole spirit wey una wey dey watch. Na Phyna na im dey talk pass the person wey she invite. Make we see some comment under dis thing wey be say the first person here say small sense wey you suppose use for podcast, you still carry Afro wig cover am finish. Another one say, but for real, how are you 26 years and you've been dating for 12 years? Lie too full BBN. This one say, I hate to admit, but Daniel is right again. The last person can say, one thing about Phyna is that she thinks she's always right. She doesn't take advice. Wetin dey do Phyna na the kind problem wey dey happen to people wey dey talk too much. When you just dey talk too much, you no go know when you don lie, you no go remember the lie, you go just talk another lie join am, the thing go just contradict themself. If no be dis age wey be say Phyna call for dis her podcast, dis her topic na very good topic wey be say dey happen well well for our country. Now everybody don leave the part wey be say she dey talk about, all of dem na dey concentrate on the lie. I hope Phyna go learn one day how to ignore people and live her life. Una take care, una bye.